What's up, guys? In today's video we'll be doing a Bella Canvas ladies Flowy Racerback tank top shirt, and we'll be doing this we're gonna be doing it in white marble, and this will be the design going on it. It's bloodstains are red, ultraviolet lights are blue. I watched enough murder shows, they'll never find you. It's something that my sister-in-law wanted, but yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get this shirt made. I've been wanting to do one of these. The material feels really nice. So let's get on to it. First thing we do is, let's see, you'll need your print, obviously the shirt, some paper for protection, and also some butcher paper. First step is to get everything spread out and go ahead and lint roll everything, both sides. Lint roll it all. Don't be shy with it. Anything that's going to be heated, you go ahead and lint roll it. We'll go ahead and change because it's got a bunch of stuff on there. For any lint roller problems. Luckily the heat press is already ready and everything, so it should go pretty quickly. We'll go ahead and turn them over. Alright, cool. So now we're lint rolled and we can go ahead and go on to the heat press. Alright, first steps first, we go ahead and get 2 pieces of butcher paper to line the entire heat press. This protects the both the materials and the platen, just in case there's anything on the platen. Go ahead and spread that out nice and even. I usually just eyeball it. I can usually get it pretty close just from doing it for a while. Better too much than not enough. And if you're doing multiple runs, this piece will definitely be changed. So we'll go ahead and get the t-shirt prepped. All right, so now we go ahead and put the t-shirt on there. And with it being a medium, it's a little bit on the tight side, but that's fine. We can deal with that. All right, we got it good and level on there. Nice and level. Get it tucked. There we go. I prefer to get all the seams off if possible. And it looks like I'll be able to do that based on what I see. So there we go. Everything's nice and tight. That's good and centered. Alright, now we go get our paper. I'm using 4 pieces of regular printer paper. And all we're doing is we're just kind of sticking it in there and letting it go. And this is just an extra layer of protection for the paper. For the platen and all that. You'll be able to see it through the shirt. And that'll be just fine right there. Nice and centered still. Recenter everything. Now, we'll go ahead and give it a quick flattening press just to make sure. For that, we'll put our paper in place and we'll press it for about 10 seconds. That's not nearly enough pressure. Crank it on down. That's probably still not enough pressure, but it's fine. We'll dial up the pressure a little bit. Alright, that's 10 seconds. Get us a little bit of magic steam out of it. Now we're a little high on this side, so what we'll do is we'll recenter everything. Make sure we're good on that. Alright. Yeah, we're good. So what we'll do, we'll take our print that we just got done printing. We'll go ahead and put it about 2 fingers down from the top. About 2 fingers down. Get it good and centered. I don't use tape or anything when I do these. I just kind of roll with it, to be totally honest. I can usually eyeball center it pretty good. What we'll do is we'll go ahead and put a couple pieces for protection. That's just regular copy paper. And we'll be doing these at 380 degrees to avoid any kind of yellowing of the shirt. And we'll be doing it for 70 seconds. Make sure we got decent pressure. Oh yeah, we got pressure that time. And we'll go ahead and do that for 60 seconds. All right, now that there's just 10 seconds left, we'll go ahead and get our lint roller ready, because we're gonna want to lint roll it to get the fibers of the t-shirt back up. So we have our lint roller handy with a fresh sticky on it. So we'll go ahead and get this going. So we'll gently, because we know there's going to be leftover ink on that paper. So we're going to be extra gentle getting it. And there it is. And then we pull it up a little bit. Let roll the stew out of it. Shake all the paper out. And this is what we got. As you can see, it prints pretty darn good. Pretty darn good. Not bad at all. So yeah. Colors are nice and vivid on it to be white marble. It's not too shabby. Really not too shabby at all. But yeah. So this is the white marble Bella canvas shirt. 100% polyester. Fantastic product in my opinion, but that's how you do it. Guys, I appreciate y'all checking out this video. Overall, I'm thrilled, absolutely thrilled with the result of this shirt. It turned out fantastic. I know she'll love it as well. As always, I'll have everything we needed for this project down in the description below. Also, if you like this video, go ahead and drop me a subscribe for future content notifications. And in addition, just drop a like on the video. I really appreciate it. Help get YouTube's algorithm doing its thing. Get this out to more people. But I appreciate it, guys. Y'all have a good one.